Hey everyone, welcome back to ICS Tech. Today we're diving into the top 5 best clothes dryers of 2026. Machines built to make laundry day faster, smarter, and more efficient than ever. Whether you're tackling large family loads, dealing with stubborn pet hair, or just want crisp, wrinkle-free clothes right out of the dryer, we've got you covered. These dryers stand out for their performance, smart features, energy efficiency, and ease of use. Everything you need for smoother, stress-free laundry days. From high-capacity home models to advanced smart dryers designed for modern living, each one brings something unique to your home. You'll find links to all the featured dryers in the description below, so don't forget to check them out for the latest prices and deals. Now, let's jump right in and find the perfect dryer to upgrade your laundry routine. Number 5. Whirlpool WED8-127LC. The Whirlpool WED8-127LC is all about convenience, speed, and smart performance. Its spacious 7.4 cubic foot capacity easily handles large comforters, towels, and heavy loads, cutting down on extra drying cycles. The advanced moisture sensing system uses 3 precise sensors to monitor moisture and temperature, ensuring clothes dry evenly without shrinking or over-drying. EcoBoost technology improves efficiency by using less heat while maintaining powerful drying results. Need a quick refresh? The steam refresh cycle smooths out wrinkles and removes odors, making lightly worn clothes look brand new in minutes. With 35 customizable cycles, Wrinkle Shield Plus and Static Reduce, you'll always get perfect results for every fabric type. Plus, with Whirlpool's mobile app, you can start or monitor cycles remotely, perfect for busy households. Durable, efficient, and loaded with smart tech, the WED8-127LC is an ideal choice for families who want professional-grade performance at home. Number 4. GE Profile PFD87 ESP-VRS. The GE Profile PFD87 ESP-VRS is a must-have for pet owners and allergy sufferers. It's designed with steam sanitize to remove pet odors and eliminate up to 99% of bacteria, keeping your clothes fresh and hygienic. The wrinkle care and static reduction features ensure your clothes come out smooth and cling-free, while the damp alert notifies you when delicate items are ready to be removed, preventing over-drying. Need clean clothes fast? The quick dry cycle handles small loads in a flash. Built-in Wi-Fi connectivity lets you control and monitor your dryer from the Smart HQ app, while the reversible door and flexible venting make it fit seamlessly into any laundry space. Powerful, smart, and pet-friendly, the PFD87 ESP-VRS keeps your home cleaner and your laundry fresher. Number 3. Maytag MED7230HW. Reliable, durable, and easy to use, the Maytag MED7230HW is a top performer for everyday laundry needs. It comes with a large 7.4 cubic feet capacity, perfect for family-sized loads and bulky items. The extra power button gives thick fabrics an extra burst of heat, ensuring complete dryness even for tough loads. Meanwhile, advanced moisture sensing prevents over-drying and protects fabrics from damage. The wrinkle prevent and steam options keep clothes fresh and ready to wear, even if you forget to unload them right away. Its hamper-style drop-down door doubles as a convenient folding station, while Wi-Fi connectivity via the Maytag app adds smart control and maintenance alerts. With its rugged construction and thoughtful design, the MED7230HW blends reliability and innovation to make laundry simpler and more efficient. Number 2. Samsung DVE45B6300P. The Samsung DVE45B6300P delivers premium performance at a great price point. Its 7.5 cubic foot drum easily handles large loads, while sensor dry technology automatically adjusts heat and time for optimal results and energy savings. The Steam Sanitize Plus feature refreshes clothes, removing wrinkles, odors, and up to 99.9% of germs and allergens, perfect for households that prioritize hygiene. A reversible door, interior drum light, and lint filter indicator make every cycle smooth and hassle-free. Using the SmartThings app, you can control, schedule, and monitor cycles remotely, even receiving notifications when laundry is done. Energy efficient, smart, and stylish, the DVE 45B6300P is one of the most well-rounded dryers available today, offering premium features at an affordable price. Number 1. LG DLEX8600BE. Taking the top spot, the LG DLEX8600BE is a true smart home powerhouse. It combines sleek design, AI-powered intelligence, and top-tier drying performance for the ultimate laundry experience. Its 7.3 cubic feet capacity handles even the largest family loads with ease, while built-in AI sensors automatically detect fabric type and load size to deliver perfectly optimized drying. Turbo Steam technology refreshes clothes in minutes, removing wrinkles and odors without needing a full wash. The wrinkle-free cycle keeps clothes smooth after drying, and Smart ThinQ connectivity lets you manage and monitor everything from your smartphone. Energy Star certification means it's up to 20% more efficient than standard dryers, helping you save on power bills without sacrificing performance. Maintenance is effortless with filter clean reminders, and the reversible door offers flexible installation options. If you want the best blend of smart technology, energy efficiency, and premium results, the DLEX8600BE is hands down the best clothes dryer on the market right now. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best clothes dryers of 2026. Which one do you think deserves the top spot? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest reviews, tech comparisons, and smart home guides from ICS Tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. 123.